Hi friends, welcome to Technical Sage, the next tech revolution. Ducon enables local stores to become digital and use WhatsApp to sell their products. All Ducandar needs to do is download the app, register their business, which takes less than a minute, and list their products. The link to their store can be shared with customers via WhatsApp for direct orders. What's brilliant about Ducon is that, unlike most digital initiatives that feel alien to those who aren't comfortable with technology, it uses a very familiar avenue to help people sell online. Sumit's story itself is an inspiration. The boy who once ran errands at a small shop owned by his uncle, he later went on to complete his engineering and changed the lives of thousands of small entrepreneurs across India. A quick learner, he picked up key web designing skills from his college roommate, learned the art of digital marketing from online courses and started his own business, Sumitrik, along with his existing CEO Subhash Chowdhury. Initially seemed like a long shot, soon made him realize that this is something that could actually benefit small business owners. In just 20 days, this application saw tremendous success. More than 1.5 lakh stores had listed 5 lakh products across 40 different categories in 400 different cities. What takes the cake, however, is the number of orders placed. 75,000, clearly showing that this application was significantly benefiting these entrepreneurs. Why are you waiting? Take your business online right now.